Hello everyone. Let's get started for the presentation on our project Healthy Me, which is an fitness application. Myself Kamak and my project partner is Ruchita. We'll discuss with you about the design, its user survey result, our initial pages for application, then the revised design, and finally the improvement. Introduction. So as we know, the demand for staying fit is increasing rapidly. In many cases people go to gym or to fitness center, but what happens when the pandemic stopped this place from opening? We have found a solution to this problem by coming with an application to stay healthy. A user just need to sign up with their email to use this app. It is much more cheaper and easier than having to use a fitness center or a gym. It provides people the chance to strive for excellence even at home, making hours of intense fitness training for them. This addresses the need to keep users fit in the tough situation. Our application even allows the user to store their BMI, body fat, weight, calories, and much more. Before going to the initial pages or the design of our application, we conducted a user survey. As per conducted the user survey, users were very well interested to include a tracker to count BMI calculator or the calorie tracker because it was the most needed feature for them. In the task manager, users like it a lot because it notifies the users for their daily task. Inbuilt music application was one of the most liked feature by the user because additionally the music being made available without another app having to be downloaded is a positive for those wishing to keep their device free of clutter. Appointing a fitness trainer functionality was also liked a lot by the users because there might be a situation in to interact with the trainer, so it is one of the most important feature for them. So this is our initial design. So as soon as user login, they will come up to the home page. So this is the home page where user can see the various type of exercises, and the design is a scrollable and is a vertical scrollable bar. If user taps on the gym option, it will go to the workout screens like this. The next is the task manager. The task manager is this feature is known as task manager. User can assign their own customized task. User can also check the progress of his task. User can add, edit, and notify their task, and they can also see the progress by their main page of the task manager. Then the next is inbuilt music. Inbuilt music is one of the most favorite feature of our application because it is included in the app to save the memory allocation, and moreover the main thing is that a user can listen to music while doing their workouts. It is the same as other music applications, but the most advantageous is that the user can listen the music in the same app while doing their workouts. User can see the various types of music here. And the next is adding a trainer. User can add trainer. User can book trainer according to the availability of schedule. The bolded written is known as the availability of the trainer, and the bottom one, the red symbol is it says that the trainer is not available. As soon as the user sees that the trainer is available, they will tap on the bolded one, and the next screen will open as the take appointments. User can see the pay rate of the trainer, and they can also see the schedules available for them, and the user can also send the messages and can appoint the trainer as according to their time. So BMI calculator. This task is called a BMI calculator, known as body mass index calculator. It is one of the most important feature and likely feature the users need because it checks the body mass index of the user. The user just need to select the gender from that circular scrollable bar, and then the users need to set their weight and height, and in the bottom there is a calculate sign. User need to click there, and they will get the BMI measurement on the next page. After having the initial pages, we conducted a usability testing for the users. So we called five users to test our application. So the users liked our design pretty well. So we got the result as users are always expecting to keep the design as simple as possible. The complexity to navigate from one task to another should be minimized. Users were surprised the most in the booking appointment task because most of them are new to the functionalities. Many users were finding forget options in login page. They also want to input more options in sign-in page such as name, age, weight, height, and all other options related to measurement. So this was something that didn't went as a plan. Then then in BMI calculator user was able to successfully understood how to set the height using a slider bar. Then user were smoothly able to delete their record in BMI calculator. Moreover, in the music application, users were easily able to search for the music. Users were smoothly able to navigate from sign in to the login and login from sign in again. Users were able to understand the concept of task manager and how to use it. Then users love the graphics and the color being displayed on our design. It was a task in which many users took the less time was the task manager, so everything went well.
Hello, I'm Ruchita Soni. As Kamaksh mentioned earlier about usability test result, after this stage, we revised our design for application. In this slide, we can see the forget password option, which is used in case if users forget the password. Users were expecting for forget password facility. It is one of the most important things nowadays. Users are using passwords with good strength. Like some users create their password with some uppercase and some special characters, so there are possibilities of forgetting password. So that users don't have to create password again and again. That's why we have added this button in this option in this design. Next is in the book your instructor. The old design was very confused just because of black color, and the users were confused whether the trainer is available or not. Majority of the users requested to change the font color in book your instructor design, and they wanted attractive color to get more eyes upon the selected or active trainer, so that they will get to know the status of the trainer. That's why we changed the color of the font. Next is BMI calculator. After getting the BMI calculation, the value is displayed on the screen, and some users may be little confused in BMI calculator, and they were expecting to display measurement unit on the screen. So we have added the measurement unit in the on the screen. The next is task manager. In the task manager, the old design used to set the alarm and it was used to delete, but in newest design, user can drag to edit or delete, and user can also add as a also add alarm for the task manager, and this will avoid any mistyping for the task user. In this slide, users were not able to navigate to previous pages, so we have added back buttons on each and every single pages. It allows users to properly navigate to previous destinations when the back button is pressed. In conclusion, I can say that everyone is talking about health and fitness today, and no one wants to be left behind. These applications definitely work, but they are especially effective when they are personalized to the user. Having a fitness app for gym or any other fitness center is advantageous in terms of reaching out to target audience. Fitness applications have been proven to be helpful for a lot of persons. Fitness applications plays a vital role in our life. Just because of these app, we are able to monitor everything that we do, from tracking our eating habits and how much activity you partake in. You can get an idea of how active you are and everything. We also learn to know that users are expecting what users are expecting in this modern world. Thank you.